Hello friends, I am Biswajit. Today we discuss some important questions on pair of linear equations in two variables from question number 16 to 20. It is the last video of last means fifth video. We will make so many videos on this chapter also after some days, but it is the fifth video of pair of linear equations in two variables from question number 16 to 20. Let us start. 16. 8 men and 12 boys can finish a piece of work in 10 days. 5. 6 men and 8 boys can finish it in 14 days. Find the time taken by one man alone and by one boy alone to finish the work. So you see, 8 men. Let one man can do the work in X days. If one man can do the work in X days, in one day, he will do 1 by X part of the work. 1 by X part. Suppose you see, if we want to color this house, if we take 10 days, if I take 10 days, in one day I will do 1 by 10 part of the room coloring. Similarly, one man can do in X days, so one day, 1 by X part. So here given 8 men. So 8 men can do 8 by X part of the work in one day. In one day, one man can do, or in one day, 8 men can do. In one day, 8 men can do 8 by X part. Similarly, one boy can do the work in Y days. So in one day, he will do 1 by Y part. But here, 8 boys. So 8 boys in one day will do 8 by Y part. Sorry, give first 12 boys. 12 by Y part. Okay? And they together finish in 10 days. So in one day, they will finish 1 by 10 part. So according to question, we can write 8 by X plus 12 by Y is equal to 1 by 10. Because you see, 8 by X, that means 8 men in one day, 12 boys in one day. They both will complete in 10 days. So in one day, they can complete 1 by 10 part. This is the first equation, equation 1. Similarly, you can write second equation, 6 men, 6 by X plus 8 boys, 8 by Y, 14 days there, so 1 by 14, this is equation 2. Clear? Now you solve it. Make these equations in linear equation two variables. Then you do. Here, see, let 1 by X equal to U, 1 by Y equal to V. So this equation becomes, you can write 8U plus 12V equal to 1 by 10. This equation will 6U plus 8V equal to 1 by 40. Now see, if we use elimination method, otherwise you can multiply this, you can make this. Elimination method will multiply. If you multiply 10 to this one, this equation becomes 8U plus 120V equal to 1. Similarly, this equation becomes 14 6 84 U plus 112V equal to 1. Okay. Now, you can solve it equalizing this one, or it will be better if we equalize this one. Here, don't write this equation. Here you can do 8 6 equation 1 into 6. So it will be 48U plus 72V equal to 6 by 10. equation 2 into 8, 48u plus 64v equal to 8 by 40. You can write 2, 2, 3, 2, 5, 3 by 5. Then here 2, 4, 2, 7, 4 by 7. Subtract, minus, minus and minus. This one. So it will become 8v equal to 3 by 5 minus 4 by 7. You can write it as 35. 21 minus 20 is equal to 1 by 35. So b equal to 1 by 38. 35 into 8, 280. So b equal to 1 by 280. So b is, so y will be what? So we can write y equal to 1 by b, b equal to 1 by y. So b equal to 1 by y, so y equal to 280. Now put the value of b in this equation. Okay. If we put the value of b in this equation, so this will be 8u plus 12 into b. b value is 1 by 280 equal to 1 by 10. That implies 8u plus, and so this one 4 3 is 4, 70. So 3 by 70 equal to 1 by 10. That implies 8 equal to 1 by 10 minus 3 by 70. That implies 8 equal to 70. It is 7 minus 3. So 8 equal to 4 by 70. That implies u equal to 4 by 70 into 1 by 8 to 1 by 140. So 1 by 140, u equal to 1 by 140. U is 1 by x, so 1 by x, so x becomes 140. Okay, write it down. Question number 17. A father says 3 times the sum of the ages of 2 sons. After 5 years, his age will be 2 times the sum of their ages. Find the present age of the father. Let present age of 2 sons be x years, and present age of father y years. Okay. According to question, first क्या दिया है? Father says 3 times sum of 2 sons, sum of ages of 2 sons. So y equal to 3 into x. It is equation 1. Sum of present ages of 2 sons, present ages of 2 sons, x years. Sum दोनों का जो एज है मिला के क्या है? x years है. फादर सेज के y है. तो अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन y इक्वल 3 टाइम्स दिया है, 3 टाइम्स y इक्वल 3x. सेकंड पार्ट दिया है आफ्टर 5 years. तो आफ्टर 5 years फादर्स एज आफ्टर 5 years and the sum of sons age after 5 years. Sum of sons age means 2 sons given here. So you can write x plus 5 plus 5. Present क्या था? x था. दोनों सन का 5 years इंक्रीज हुआ. और फादर का कितना इंक्रीज हुआ? 5. क्लियर? तो ये हो गया x plus 10 years. दोनों सन का जो आफ्टर 5 years हो गया years, x plus 10. फादर का हो गया y plus 5. क्वेश्चन दिया है after 5 years his age will be 2 times the sum of the ages. Then according to question, father's age after 5 years is 2 times the sum of the ages of 2 sons, x plus 10. That implies y plus 5 equal to 2x plus 20. You can form equation here. Take the right side, 2x minus y plus 20 minus 5 equal to 0. So equation 2x minus y plus 15 equal to 0. It is equation 2. This is equation 1. Y equal to 3x. we can change this equation 3x minus y equal to 0, form it as equation 1. Okay, now solve. You see here, equation 1, y coefficient minus 1 minus 1. So you can write 3x minus y equal to 0, first equation. Second equation, 2x minus y plus 15 here, take it right side, minus 15. Now you see, subtract, minus plus, it is plus. X cut equal to 15. तो x के वैल्यू आ गया 15. x क्या है? Sum of the present ages of two sons. Sum of the ages of two sons. Present ages. क्वेश्चन पूछा है find the present age of the father. So present age of father y equal to 3x, 3 into 15 equal to 45 years. Okay, write it down. Next, solve the following pair of equations. Solve the following pair of equations. Equation that 2 by root x plus 3 by root y equal to 2. And another equation, 4 by root x minus 9 by root y equal to 1. Minus 1. Okay, it is minus 1. You see here, it is not in the form of linear equation x plus by plus c. You can take here, let 1 by root x equal to u, 1 by root y equal to b. So this equation convert into 2u plus 3v equal to 2. We can write equation 1 here. Then this will be 4u minus 9b equal to minus 1. Equation 2. Clear? Change it to this equation. Now you can solve this. 2u, 4u, coefficient, 3v minus 9v. We multiply 3 here, it will be easy. So write equation 1 into 3. So 6u plus 9v equal to 6. Equation 2 into 1. 4u minus 9v equal to minus 1. You see, coefficients now equal but different sign. So adding 10u, cut this one equal to 5. That implies u equal to 5 by 10 equal to 1 by 2. U again 1 by 2. Put the value of u in equation 1 or 2. We put, then ये क्या हो जाएगा? 4 into 1 by 2 minus 9b equal to minus 1. Write it, put the value of u in equation 2. Then it becomes 2 minus 9b equal to minus 1. That implies minus 9b equal to minus 1 minus 2. Minus 9b equal to minus 3. That implies b equal to minus 3 by minus 9 equal to 1 by 3. It is 1 by 3. What to find? Find the value of x and y. U is what? U equal to 1 by root x. 1 by root x. Value is 1 by 2. Now squaring we find 1 by x. 1 by root x square. 1 by x equal to 1 by 2. That implies x equal to 2. X again 2. Similarly, b 1 by root y. 1 by root y equal to 1 by 3. क्योंकि b का वैल्यू है v equal to 1 by root y equal to 1 by 3. Squaring this one, so 1 by y equal to 1 by 9. Oh, squaring to 4. 1 by 3 squaring 9. That implies y equal to 9. X equal to 4 and y equal to 9. Edit. (19) 7 times a 2-digit number is equal to 4 times the number obtained by reversing the order of the digits. 7 times 2-digit number. Let 2-digit number, let unit digit be y and 10th digit be x. So the original number क्या होगा? Original number क्या होगा? 10 into 10th plus digit 10x plus y. नहीं? क्या दिया है? 7 times a 2-digit number is equal to 7 times, according to question, 7 times a 2-digit number is equal to 4 times the number obtained by reversing order. 4 times number obtained reversing order, और रिवर्स करने से y इधर आ जाएगा, x इधर आ जाएगा, तो 10y plus x हो जाएगा. Okay. Now you see it is 70x plus 7y equal to 40y plus 4x. Sorry. That implies you can write here 70x minus 4x is equal to 40y minus 7y. That implies 66x equal to, this is 33y. So here divided 30 this one, so y equal to, we can write y equal to 66x by 33. That implies y equal to, cut this one, 2x. तो y equal to x एक equation 1. Second क्या दिया है? If the difference of the digits is 3, difference of the digit, if we take get a digit 10x, this one, you can take x minus y also and y minus x, two equations. Let's take x minus y. X minus y, here you see y equal to 2x, y equal to m means y is greater here. Okay, y equal to x means y is greater. So y minus x equal to 3. It is equation 2. Clear? So first equation is this one, you can write it y minus 2x equal to 0. Put it here. So equation 1, y minus 2x equal to 0. Equation 2, y minus x equal to 3. Okay, you see, subtract minus plus minus, cut this one, minus x equal to minus 3. That implies x equal to 3. X आ गया 3. Determine the number. First find the x, then put the value of x here. We put the value of x here. So y equal to 2 into x value is 3. तो y आ गया 6, x आ गया 3, y आ गया 6. तो नंबर क्या है? नंबर इज 10x plus y. तो 10 into x, x value 3 plus y 6, 30 plus 6 equal to 36. So the number is, answer is 36. Last question. For what value of k, the following system of equations will represent the coincident line. Coincident lines means coincident line पूछेगा तो coincident line a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. ये गया coincident lines. Coincident lines. Okay, two lines are coincident when a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. दे दिया है x plus 2y plus 7 equal to 0. एक इक्वेशन. सेकेंड इक्वेशन दिया है 2x plus ky plus 14 equal to 0. You see here you can write here a1 is coefficient of first equation x, a1 is 1, b1 equal to 2 and c1 equal to 7. Similarly here a2 equal to 2, b2 equal to k, c2 equal to 14. Put the value in this. Here you see a1 1, a2 2 equal to b1 2, b2 k, c1 7, c2 40. You see here this is 1 by 2 and this is also 1 by 2. 3 are equal. So it is automatically the value of this one is 1 by 2. So 2 by k is also equal to 1 by 2. Because this is 1 by 2, this is 1 by 2. So 2 by k must be 1 by 2. So cross multiply, so k equal to 4. So value of k is equal to 4. Write it down. So friends, this was the last video of pair of linear equation to variables class 10. Last video means I will make so many videos on this topic for practice, but this is the 5th video and we have already completed 20 questions. So friends, You just practice it, watch till the end, practice more and more. In my next videos, we will make some board questions in coming days. So, thank you. Keep smiling. God bless you.